we just got the site, and we've been to this site before, but gotta come back to do some drain and stuff. Oh my god! Oh, they've got the water. Oh, and the tiles. This is looking nice. Yeah. Would have been a better view if it wasn't raining. Alright, we'll just come back to a job that we did an excavation for. We dug all this out underneath the house, and the owner has put a studio down here, so we managed to get our little digger through here and then dug all that out. But we're just going to come back today and this week. Down here we're going to put a little little pump. So that sump, there's a pipe that comes from there and it goes underneath this wall and it goes in there. So the plan is to put a little pump that's going to pump water from here to the front of the house, because that's where the stormwater outlet is. And it was going to we'll get the sparky and run some power through the sand trench, and then maybe poke a hole through the wall and get some power, or maybe, I don't know, we'll sort it out. Oh, yeah. Bit of a wet, cold day here in Wellington. Man, this rain is really coming down now. Shorus. Bro, just saw cut this for our trench. We trenched all this morning all the way down to the bottom there. Now we're going to carry on this trench. Put up there for our pipe. Dug the hole for our pump. I'm just gonna finish the rest of our trench. Finally, we got a sunny day. It's Wednesday. Let's go get it. Let's go. Alright, we're back on the site. We're just gonna do our connection here. So we're going to put a wire inspection there, and that side there's a pipe that's going to come here and then it's gonna 90, and then it's gonna feed this pipe. So that sump will come out, that's non-compliant, and that pipe there as well will be replaced. I think that's a 65. So there'll be a pipe coming this way, catching that, and then be another Y here, and then that'll be for the sump. So there'll be a new sump, either go in the center or where that basket is. I'm not sure, I've got to check with the client. And then the other one will be for our pipe from the bottom. So we have a 32 mil pipe that's gonna bring the water from the bottom of the pump, feed it up here, and then it's gonna connect onto there. So that'll be for our pipe from the bottom, that'll be for the sump, and then that will be for the pipe, for this down pipe. I'll just take you guys to the view, show you guys the view on a nice, beautiful sunny day here in Wellington. Yeah. Nice. Time to connect our pot. Drag up. Okay. Alright, we'll just finish putting the sump in. All we got to do now is connect that 32 mil outlet and then run it up to that trench. Sparky out here doing their thing, and then we'll finish connecting it up there. We can get some lunch now. Just filling it up now, testing it. Oh, nice. And then sensor should go off about, yeah, that's 20. So that little black thing there, that's the sensor. It's where the water gets to a certain point, and then we'll just pump that pump there. We'll just pump it out to the outlet. The outlet's the smaller pipe, and then the bigger pipe, the 100 mil, is the inlet pipe, and obviously the orange pipe is for to supply the power. Oh, so we're pretty much ready for inspection tomorrow, and we'll backfill this, and then we'll crack into some reinstatement like the footpath concrete. All in all, it's been a pretty good, productive day. Let's go. It's filling up again. Maybe I'll just wait for this one. So I've just got to put a pipe there and a cap, draw a hole in the cap to make it look nice. Just waiting for this. Waiting for the pump. Oh, there we go. Nice. Yeah. it goes from there out to here and comes out of there. Inspector's just leaving. He's just been and gone, inspected all this, and our pump down at the bottom. And she's all signed off so we can backfill all this. Nice. Skills, brother. Skills, brother. Tomorrow put in the concrete riser, maybe like a little manhole here, and then we'll probably put some concrete at the bottom for the base. Cutting this chamber is too long for our trench or our hole, but we'll just put it in there. So just need to put it in the hole. Let's go. So we're just about to put this chamber in now into here. We'll probably have to notch up something for this pipe because it sticks up a little bit. See? So we'll just notch it up. We'll get it in, mark it, notch it, and then put it back. Let's go.